Bona kube bekuthiwa angiremixe le ngoma ethi ungakuyeki ukuthandaza nabe ngathi ungakuyeki ukumeditata ungakuyeki ukumeditata ungayeki ukumeditata leso simo sisangashintsha hosa awungayeki ukumeditata ungayeki ukumeditata ungayeki ukumeditata osaleso simo sisangashintsha. Yabona phela uma umeditator usukuthepha into the tapestry, into the core fabric of the universe la ku exista khona ama infinite possibilities and potentials. Usukuthepha lapho mfethu. Yabona kusuke kufana nokuthi urabha umdwebo ongawufuni ephepheni, ushiya iphepha li blank so that uzofaka umdwebo ofunayo. Yabo, we are clearing everything. Yabona kunendawo ekuthiwa i-quantum field, kunendawo ekuthiwa i-quantum. Yabo, lo ndawo leyo kunendawo ekuthiwa i-akasha. Yes, kunendawo ekuthiwa i-akasha. Lo ndawo leyo kunendawo ekuthiwa i-consciousness field. Yes manje, kunendawo mfethu before ku existe anything, kunendawo ekhona. Leyo ndawo leyo ekunga exist khona lutho, but every reality is manifesting kuleyo ndawo leyo. Yes, it is it as a base first of every manifestation. So uma meditator, we are tapping into that place. Angithi yabo, that is why some people they even cry if befika kuleyo ndawo leyo as they do their meditation. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli. Yabona, yabona leyo ndawo leyo mawuthepha kuyona mfethu, uthepha kuma infinite potentials, infinite possibilities. Uyabona mfethu, kune dimension ekuthiwa 11th dimension, 10th and 11th. Yabo kwi 10th dimension ila universe mfethu, ngokwe string theory it is believed ukuthi i-universe ila izalwa khona mfethu, ila khona exista khona all the possibilities. But at the 11th dimension it is an observer, yabo, that is observing, that is making sure that everything is there. That is the power, that is the omnipotent, that is the God. Angithi yabo. So that is why I say if you are meditating, you are tapping into that infinite potentials. Yabo, I used to say ukuthi uma kukhona into eyodwa kumele ukuthi uyazi kangcono, yona meditation mfethu. Mangase kuthiwa nje khona into kumele ukuthi uyazi bese uyazi kangcono, yona meditation. Yabo, if you meditate mfethu, there are infinite potentials mfethu asekuwukuthi uthepha kuona. Yabo, there are infinite possibilities and infinite potentials osokuthepha kuona.